Here's how to create a 3-column document in Pages. What you can do is pause this video after you've heard a little bit, jump over to Pages, and go ahead and try doing what I've mentioned to you here. Okay? So here's the first part. You open Pages up, and it comes to this template chooser. Let's choose Blank Landscape. That'll lay this out sideways. And when that opens like this, you can see that it starts with just one column, but there's a little column tool up here. What we're going to do before we hit that column tool is click on the inspector, which opens this little window, and we're going to choose the size of the page we're going to work with. Change the margin here on the left and the right to 1/2 inch. That'll give you a little bit more space to work, like that. And then uncheck header and footer. That gets some stuff out of the way on the top. Okay, next step, keep this open and go to the second icon in the inspector, and there's a layout section with column numbers, and we're going to change the number of columns to 3, and then we're going to try to get everything as tight in those columns as we can. So under gutter, where it says 0.5 inches, we're going to change that down to 0.2 inches. That's going to give you a little bit more room to type, a little bit less room between the columns. And then you can actually close the layout section of the inspector. Next, make sure you've clicked in the first column, and you can see where the columns are by the little indicators up here on the ruler line. Click in that first column and go up to the top of the screen, where you can't see me pointing right now just because of the way this screen works, but I'm going to the word Insert. I'm going to click on Insert, and you'll see text box comes up. Don't choose text box from here because it's not going to insert it into the column. So you're going to use the word Insert and choose text box, and then click outside that text box once and then back into it. Will give you the little handle so that you can stretch it all the way down the page so it's long enough for your page. Once you've created that one and it's got the little boxes around it, then you're going to copy it using whatever copy method that you like. Go to the word Edit and choose Copy, for example. Then click in the second column and go to Edit and choose Paste. And that column is going to have the same size text box in it. And of course, do that a third time in the third column. Edit and Paste. And you'll have 3 columns. As soon as I get that done, you'll see it. You'll have 3 columns, and now you can double click in a column and start typing whatever text you need there, and you'll be able to write in each column or add graphics to each column. Even though there's text already in there, you can put graphics right over them. Make sure you save your work.